We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to my last analysis when the price was here, we mentioned if the price drops some more, we can look for this one as a correction. Then if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And exactly this is what we get. Because if we refer to our analysis, if I put it like this, since the price was within here, we have been looking for the reversal. But when the price was here, I mentioned the way it's reversing is very corrective. We need to be really careful if anyone wants to look for buy. And simply after we get this correction, the only way was to put our entry above here, and this is what we get. And for those traders, they get this trade right now. If they want to take out the trade in the profit, it's good. If they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even. Now the question is whether we can expect this one turn to correction for trade for continuation. I mean the opportunity for the next trade, or we can put this one in relative to this for the next drop. That means we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. That's why we should know how to manage the trade. Anyway, we move to daily chart, and as we can see based on daily chart, we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time. But what we're looking for buy, and this is what I'm looking for as a long term. And if we get any opportunity for buy, if as a long term, the targets we can look for is 46 following by 57. By the way, as I mentioned, we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we see the reversal. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we should know how to manage it if it doesn't move in our direction. And based on daily chart, we don't see any trade setup for buy, and the best things is to look for trade based on lower time frame. And if you move to forward chart, at first point, we have been looking for this one as a flat. We wanted to see the continuation, and we mentioned with the breakout of the previous top, we can look for the targets as a 23 following by 26 cent. All right. Now the question is, we get the reversal, and right now we need to be, if the price concept give us a correction here, then from there we can look for the next trade, and we want to see whether the price can break the previous top. If the price could break the previous top and we see the breakout of this zone, we can look for continuation as a long term. If not, then from there we can look for sell. But how about if the price didn't give us a correction from here, and this is in relative to this as an internal flat, as a 1, 2, 3 before we see the reversal? That's why we need to be really careful. That means we can expect this one turn to a more complex correction. That's why I mentioned based on 1 hour chart, for those traders, they get the trade for buy from here. May they take out the trade in the profit, and we will look for the next trade setup. If the price continue and drop, we just let it go. But if this one turn to a correction, it give us an opportunity for the next trade. We will take the next buy, and with the breakout of the previous top, we have to start to manage it. And if the price continue and drop following by flag, this is where we can confirm the price can take the previous low with the breakout of the lowest price of this correction. This is how we can look for sell. But we should know that we are not really interested to look for sell. We are more interested to look for buy, and sell is a short term. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.